Isang Humstastic na hapon, our Humstastic Cuties mula Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Welcome sa inyong DepEd Itulay online tutorial program.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. At good afternoon din, Tutor G. No, good afternoon sa ating tuties. So, ito ay handog sa inyo ng Department of Education sa pangunguna ng Educational Technology Unit.
Yes, hayaan nyo kaming samahan kayo sa isang makabuluhang pag-aaral sa hapong ito.
Kaya naman, humanda na at sumamang saliksikin ang hiwaga ng humanidades at agham panlipunan.
Welcome sa inyong DepEd Itulay online tutorial program. Ako ang inyong Humstastic Tutor G, ang gigil na gigil na kayo ay paglingkuran at matuto sa hapong ito.
At ako naman ang inyong Humstastic Tutor Rio, Real Me for You.
Yes. Ngayon naman po, let us introduce our cutie of the week. Siya ang cutie na nagpakita ng galing at pagiging active sa pagsagot ng mga activity at nakilahok sa ating buong discussion last week.
Kaya gusto kong batiin si Enrico Manuel T. Dalupan ng 11th STEM Virgen de las Flores High School at ang kanyang advisor ay si Madam Maribel Castillo. Ang kanya namang principal ay si Madam Luisa Marquez. Congratulations and salamat sa iyong aktibong pakikinig at pagsagot sa ating session last week. Napakagaling din ng lahat ng ating tuties, di ba, Tutor G?
Yes. Again, hello sa lahat ng ating mga cuties, parents, and teachers. Lalo na gusto kong batiin, Tutor Rio, ang mga co-teachers ko sa Maligaya National High School sa pangunguna ng aming butihing principal na si Ma'am Jesusa Dibote.
Hello po sa inyo at gusto ko din pong batiin ang aking mga co-teachers from Barreto Senior High School, Olongapo City, lalong-lalo na ang aking principal na si Madam Karina L. Rojas. Muli, amin pong pinapasalamatan ang DepEd Manila para sa module na gagamitin natin today. Salamat po.
Thank you po. And now, let us have our objective. So, at the end of this session, the tutor should be able to discuss the roles and functions of counselors, identify specific work areas in which counselors work, and value the importance of their work areas as they are essential agents of development.
Yes. So, para sa ating pag-uumpisa ng ating lesson, let us first review the previous lesson. This is our directions. Read and analyze the statements carefully and write true if the statement is correct and then false if the statement is incorrect. So, for our
Ayan.
item number 1, cuties, ready na ba kayo? Isusulat nyo, syempre, ang number at isusulat nyo din kung ito ba ay true or false. For number 1, goals in the counseling process are determined solely by the counselor. Is it true or false?
Isip-isip.
Yes. Ano kaya ang kanilang sagot? Tignan nga natin. So may mga sumagot po dito ng true, solely, no? Ibig sabihin ang counselor lang ang merong say sa counseling. Ang sagot nila ay true. Tignan natin ang tamang sagot, Tutor G. Ang tamang sagot ay
Yes, Tutor Rio.
false. Okay.
Ayan. Okay. So, sa number 2 naman tayo, cuties. Okay. Sabi dito, counseling is a helping relationship between counselors and clients. Is this true or false? Okay, so sa number 2, ilalagay natin ang number 2 plus ang ating sagot kung ang statement ba ay true or false. Okay. Ano kaya ang tamang sagot? Ayan, may mga
Mhm.
sumagot na pala, Tutor Rio. Si Althea
Mhm.
Natividad, ang sabi niya true. Si Lorraine, true. Puro true ang aking nakikita. Ano nga
Mhm.
ba ang tamang sagot, Tutor Rio? Ayan, very good, Chuti. So, ang tamang sagot ay true.
Okay, very good naman pala ang ating mga cuties sa kanilang pagpa-participate. For item number 3, geography is the interaction between people and their environments and explore both the physical properties of the Earth's surface and their relationship with human societies. True or false? Okay, cuties, let me
Hmm.
see your answer. For number 3, is it true or false? So may mga sagot sila dito, Tutor G. Ang daming mga nakikipag-participate. Sila daw ay sumasagot
Yes,
ng
ang
true,
bilis.
true, true. Okay, puro true. And the correct answer is
Hala,
true.
true pala.
Okay. Nakikinig sila last
Okay, for
lesson.
number 4. Okay. So number 4, psychology is the study of changes in population growth through the analysis of statistics on birth, human movement, morbidity, agedness, and mortality. Is this true or false? Medyo madali yata to, Tutorio. Ayan, may
Mhm.
sumagot
Mhm.
agad. Kasi nga parang madali Feeling ko
Oo.
nadadalian sila sa mga tanong natin. Ayan, si Jen Ausa, si Althea, si Kaysilin, si Bea, mga false ang kanilang sagot. Tulad din ni Maria J. Del Soriano Laum. Ayan, false ang kanilang mga sagot. Alamin natin kung false nga ba ang tamang sagot. Very
Very
good,
good.
Chuti. So, false ang sagot.
Okay.
Ang gagaling.
Okay, for number 5, the item 5 says counseling can be an avenue for self-exploration and self-discovery wherein the clients can gain more understanding about the self. Is it true or false? For number 5, what is the answer? Okay, meron na ba? Sabi ni Jen Ausa, true. Ang sabi ni Leslie Tongahan, true. Ang sabi ni Laika Mongok Felices ay true. Tingnan po natin ang tamang sagot. True. Okay, congratulations. Sige. So sabi natin dun no sa ating previous lesson no nakita natin ang iba't ibang disciplines ng social science at applied social sciences. Ngayon naman itong pagbubukas ng ating bagong lesson, no, sabi dito, I need help. Where will I go? Kayo ba, cuties? Where do you go when you
Hmm.
have problems? No? If something is bothering you about life matters, halimbawa sa academics, relationship, sa family, identity concerns, with whom will you share your problem? Kanino kayo nagsishare ng problem? Sige nga, cuties, malaman namin kung kanino. Si Tutor G, saan ka ba?
Sasagot kaya sila, Tutorio?
Oo nga. Ikaw ba, Tutor?
Kanino nga ba kayo nagsasabi?
Mhm.
Kanino nga ba? Hmm.
Ako usually, Tutor G, sa friends ko nung nag-adult
Mm.
na ako.
Sila yung
Samantalang
pinakauna nating naiisip.
yes, si Arian Patrice Combe, ang sabi niya, I share my problems with my best friend. Oo nga naman, no? At sabi din ni Ira
Yes.
na Dora Bantaculo, best friend, sabi niya. At may nagsabi God, may nagsabi food. Okay? Basta
Oo,
hinay-hinay
food.
lang. So, anong kinalaman nito sa ating lesson? Tutor G?
Yes. So, yan ang aalamin natin sa ating lesson today, dear cuties. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so our lesson is about professionals and practitioners in counseling. Okay, so aalamin natin ngayon kung sino ang mga ito at ano nga ba yung kanilang papel para tulungan tayo tungkol sa ating buhay, 'di ba? Kasi nga sabi natin, I need help. Where will I go? So ngayon, ito ang mga professionals and practitioners in counseling. So let's begin. Now let us define counseling. Okay, so it is an intimate form of learning. So it demands a practitioner who is willing to be an authentic person in the counseling or therapeutic relationship. So it involves the person, ito yung counselor, which is the counselor na siyang tagapayo upang ma-immerse or maging deep yung connection mo sa buhay ng ibang tao at makakapagbigay ka or si counselor ay makakapagbigay ng isang tunay na suporta at pangunawa lalo na tulad sa isang school setting or clinical setting. Kaya meron tayong guidance counselor na tinatawag, tutorio.
Yes. Okay, thank you, Tutor Gino, sa ating definition of counseling. Ngayon naman, let us see what are the principles of counseling. Ano ba yung prinsipyo ng counseling? So sabi dito, dapat merong developing trust. Baka meron dito, Tutor G, mga gustong maging counselor balang araw. So
Yes.
kailangan may tiwala ang iyong counselee sa'yo. So exploring problem areas, baka naman hindi lang isang problema niya, baka marami at masalimuot. Helping to set goals. So may problema ka, ano ang gagawin? Empowering into action, no? Yung gagawin mo ay kailangan may lakas ng loob para ito ay maisagawa. Helping to maintain change and agreeing when to end. Hindi po pwede, Tutor Gino, kapag may problema tayo ay hanggang doon na lang tayo. So tinutulungan tayo ng counseling at counselor para maialpas natin ang ating sarili sa problemang yun.
Yes, Tutor Rio. So now titingnan natin yung journey to counseling. How does this happen? Okay. So sabi dito, counselors have the duty to their clients, especially if they come seeking comfort and care. The counselor's role become more of a responsibility to their clients. Ayan, so yung mga counselors, yung responsibility na nila pag lumapit sa kanila yung kanilang mga kliyente or yung mga taong may problema emotionally or mentally. So meron silang tinatawag nating personal relationship na nangyayari. So, ang nagiging role na nila ay halos yung kaibigan mo na. Sila na yung sinasabihan mo ng problema. Ayan. Sila yung mga counselors natin.
Yes,
Okay,
Tutor
sabi
G.
dito, wounds will be open. Ito ang nangyayari sa journey to counseling. Wounds will be opened. Feelings will be explored. And then, perception and growth will be secured. So, sinasabi natin dito, wounds will be opened. Yan yung unang mangyayari pag lumapit ka sa counselor. And then, your feelings will be explored. Okay? So, pag lumapit tayo sa counselor, mauungkat ulit yung mga sabihin na nating pangit na pakiramdam. Tapos syempre, magkakaalaman at babalik yung sakit, yung mga pinagdaanan, but eventually, sabi nga dyan, perception and growth will be secured. So eventually, when the counselor gives his support and guidance and lahat ng mga pinapayo sa'yo, babalik naman si client or ikaw sa dati mong functionality sa society. Ganun yung kanyang journey, si counselor.
Yes, napakalinaw ng explanation ni Ma'am G sa counselor at sa gawain ng counseling. Okay, ngayon naman, tingnan ninyo, cuties. Merong RA, no? Ito ay Republic Act 9258. Ibig sabihin, may batas pala na tungkol sa guidance and counseling. Ito ay yung Guidance and Counseling Act of 2004. Ang sabi dito, the relationship of client and therapist counselor are guided by rules and regulations. Nasabi kasi ni Tutor G kanina na kailangan may relationship na ang counselee at
Yes.
counselor. Pero dito sa Code of Ethics, kailangan naman na yung relationship na yon ay sumusunod sa rules and regulations so as to protect not only the counselor but also the rights of the client. Kailangan yung relationship na yon may active listening, no? Kailangan nakakapalagayan ng loob ng counselee ang counselor at kailangan din nagki-care ang counselor sa kanyang mga clients.
Yes, tama ka dyan, Tutor Rio. So now we move on to the functions of counselors. Okay? So we must understand that the counselors perform their role. Sabi mo nga kanina, may client relationship na nangyayari. So we must understand that their roles are continuous yan at hindi lang minsan ng trabaho. So may relationship nga sila na sinasabi natin si counselor at yung kanyang client. So ito yung mga sasabihin na natin yung mga functions ng mga professional counselors. So the first one we have, they are the providers of individual and group counseling services. So ang mga counselors ay hindi lamang tumutulong sa mga individual na maunawaan yung kanilang mga sarili, but para mapagyan sila ng tamang pagsusuri sa alinman ng mga problema nila or yung mga behavioral problems or clinical problems. Next, number 2, we have the developmental classroom guidance specialist. So, itong mga counselors natin, they also prepare lessons and implement guidance instructions to students. So, dito po pasok yung mga modules natin for homeroom guidance. Okay, siguro iniisip natin, bakit si advisor yung nagde-disseminate ng HRG, hindi si guidance counselor? Hindi po ganon. So, yun po, yung mga HRG na inyong sinasagutan, ay galing po yan kay guidance counselor. And also, they do talks, seminars, workshops, and other activities. And the last one, the third one dito sa ating slide ay leaders and advocates of academic success. So, yung mga professional counselors ay may responsibility para i-promote yung academic success by helping students identify barriers. So for example, meron silang OFW parents, na separated parents, nagfe-fail sila lagi sa exam or nahuli silang nag-cheat sa exam. Yung mga katulad ng mga peer pressure, yung mga ganyan. So sila yung tumutulong sa mga estudyante para makakope sa challenges at makita nila yung mga challenges ay also opportunities for them to grow, Tutor Rio.
Yes, no, napakaganda ng mga functions ng counselor sa Tutor G. So,
Yes.
karagdagan na functions ng counselor yung career development. Sila ay career development specialist. Ibig sabihin may pakialam sila o may care sila sa iyong career development na hindi ka lang basta stagnant na kung ano na lang yung pinili mo hindi ka na napo-promote o hindi ka na nag-a-advance ng iyong level. So gusto ng mga career counselors na ma-ensure at ma-help ka sa iyong career. Meron ding tinatawag na advocates of a safe school environment. Nakikita kung ikaw ba ay free sa bullying, nakikita na kung ang school ba ay zero bullying, ganyan. Nakikita kung ikaw ba ay safe sa mga exploitation. Ito man ay naibibigay sa iyo ng mga adult o ng kapwa mo estudyante. Ganon din ang mga counselors ay advocates of student with special needs and student at risk. Tingnan natin yung student with special needs. Maaring sila ay yung kasali sa mga PWD. Kailangan sila ay may pantay-pantay na nararanasang karapatan sa loob ng paaralan. Yung mga students at risk naman, ito Tutor G, narinig ko to, minsan may students at risk of dropping out. Yung mga students na
Yes.
baka hindi na sila pumapasok or nagsasubmit ng modules. Pero ang mga counselors, iniisip nila ang kalagayan ng mga estudyante na baka naman may matinding pinagdadaanan ang mga estudyante. Tingnan nyo, napakababait ng ating mga counselors,
Tama.
no? Bukod pa dito, isa pang function ng counselor ay yung school and community collaboration specialist. Hindi lang sila nasa school, no, kundi tinitignan nila kung ano ang maitutulong ng iyong barangay, anong maitutulong ng iyong church, anong maitutulong ng mga magulang para ma-develop ka bilang student o bilang client. So sila ay School and Community Collaboration Specialist.
Yes, tama. So, yan yung mga functions of counselor, dear cuties. So, ngayon naman, let us move on to the areas of specialization of counselors. Ano ba yung mga areas of specialization nila? So, first, we have career counselors or the vocational counselors. So, sabi dito, they will help you if you are unsatisfied with your career choice but are afraid to make changes or experience financial constraints. These have a background in they have a background in vocational, industrial, or organizational psychology. So, dito naman, yung mga tinutulungan ay mga taong nagsawa na or hindi na fulfilling yung kanilang mga career. Pero, natatakot sila na gumawa ng mga pagbabago or magbago ng career path dahil sa emotional na mga issues or dahil sa pamilya or dahil sa financial constraints. Yan usually ang focus ng career or vocational counselor, tutorio.
Okay. No, thank you, Tutor G. So may mga ganun palang counselor, no, tungkol sa career. So ngayon naman, ang isa sa specialization ng counselor ay yung school counseling. Ito naman, sabi dito, elementary, high school, tertiary counselors emphasize more on preventive development and development counseling. They provide students with life skills needed to deal with the problems before they worsen. Kasi 'di ba, habang tayo ay nagkakaedad, kayo, cuties, habang kayo ay nagkakaedad, ay nagde-develop pa lang ang inyong brain at nagde-develop din ang inyong skills. Nandiyan ang ating
Yes.
counselors para turuan at tulungan tayo para ma-develop ang mga yon.
Yes, tutorio. Okay, so we have the third one. So the third one is community counseling. Sabi dito, it adapts in community's background, culture, or practices and helps the members of the community improve their relationship with each other. So okay, so dito sa area naman na ito ng specialization ng ni counselor, siya yung expert pagdating sa community. So tinutulungan nila yung mga members ng society upang ma-improve ang kanilang relationship sa bawat isa. So tinutulungan din nila yung bawat isa para maintindihan at mag-adjust sila sa community better para less issues sa loob ng kanilang community. So yan ang trabaho ni community counselor.
Yes, thank you. And ngayon, meron naman tayong tinatawag na rehabilitation counseling. Ano naman ito? Sa rehabilitation counseling, no, tinutulungan yung mga taong nakaranas ng substance abuse, no, or yung nakaranas ng substance abuse with disability na, no, to achieve their psychological, personal, and social vocational goals because of the substance abuse. So, nagkakaroon ng rehabilitation program. Ayan, minsan tumatagal ito ng 1 linggo hanggang taon, no? Para masigurado na paglabas sa rehabilitation center ng client ay kaya na niyang mamuhay ulit ng balik sa normal.
Yes, Shutorio. So now we have the mental health and clinical counseling. So this one, it addresses and treats mental and emotional disorders and promote mental health. It often works with mental health specialists like psychiatrists, psychologists, or school counselors. So yung mga mental health counselors natin, they work with individuals, families, and groups to address mental and emotional disorders. So sila yung trained upang matugunan yung mga issue natin tulad ng yung mga taong may depression, may anxiety, or yung mga laging balisa. So, sa di alam na dahilan, yung mga may
Mm.
addiction, yung mga may suicidal tendencies, yung mga may trauma, stress, kalungkutan, at iba pang mga emotional and mental problems. So, ilan lang yan sa mga pinagtutuunan ng pansin ng isang mental health counselor. Ayan. So, nakiki-share sila at nagkikipagtulungan sila sa mga psychiatrists, psychologists, at syempre, school counselors din, tutorio.
Yes, Tutor G. So, yun nabanggit ko ata kanina, no, ang rehabilitation counseling.
Okay. Yes, tutorio. So,
Mm.
ang next natin is yung industrial counseling. So, it is a human resource counseling to respond to the concern of the employee. So, it gives training or professional development services or other activities to help employees develop soft skills, attitude, flexibility, and motivation. So, sinasabi lang dito, yung industrial counseling naman ay halos pareho lang sa career counseling. So, in a way, pareho sila dahil ang focus nila ay ang employee or yung career. But here, ang focus is to respond to the concerns as an employee. So, ayun, tutorio.
Yes, no, thank you, Tutor G, no, napakadami nating natalakay sa
Yes.
hapon na ito, no. Gusto lang natin din batiin ang ating mga tuties, ilan na lamang sa mga nababasa ko dito, no. Hello sa inyo, sabi good afternoon po, Marianette Vizcara, Yums Karl Marx 11 watching from San Mariano National High School, Maine. Okay? Ganon din ay si Myril Asuncion ng 11 Yums Mandela SMNH. So sa ating module 2 na ito, na pag-usapan natin Tutor G at tuties, ang professionals and practitioners in counseling. Na pag-usapan natin kanina kung saan ba nagtatrabaho ang mga counselors, no? Kanina meron palang mga career counselors, school counseling, no? Community counseling. Ito na, laktawan ko yata yung marriage and family counseling sa 4. Meron din tinatawag na mental health and clinical counseling, rehabilitation counseling, and last but not the least, the industrial counseling. At may batas din pala para sa counseling.
Yes, tutorio. So, yan yung bulk ng ating lesson today. So, now, let us answer a few questions. Kahit may lang,
Mm.
dear cuties, okay? So, let's answer this. Type it in the comment section, okay? Why is counseling a profession if it can be done by anyone? Kasi sabi natin, tutorio,
Mm.
kanino ba tayo nagsasabi ng mga problema natin? Kay friend, 'di ba? Sinabi
Best
natin kay
friend.
best friend, kay God. Ayan, may sumagot tutorio. Sabi ni Althea L. Natividad, because counseling is more than just delivering advice. It demands in-depth knowledge of the patient's mental ailment. So, mas malalim pala yung trabaho ni counselor, professional counselor. Sabi naman ni Ira Bantaculo, counseling is a profession even if it can be done by anyone because a helping profession is one in which the members are specially trained as licensed or certified to perform a unique and needed service for fellow human beings. Ayan. So, ayan, madaming sagot, tutorio. Mamaya babasahin natin lahat yan.
Mm.
Kasi kulang ang time natin pag
Mm.
binasa natin isa-isa. So don't worry,
Yes.
babasahin namin lahat 'yan. Okay, pero may pangalawa pa tayong tanong, cuties. Ang follow-up question ko, teachers can also counsel their students. Do you think they could be considered as good counselors? Why or why not? Ayan, kahit maikli lang na sagot, tatanggapin natin, tutorio.
Yes.
Ano nga
Oo.
ba ang kanilang naiisip? Eto si Tristan
Napaka-participative, ano?
Hakamile, napakabilis nila sumagot. Sabi
Mm.
niya, yes. Ayan, ang bilis ng movement ng screen ko, tutorial. Sabi ni
Yes.
Tristan Hakamile, yes, because their teachers who is in constant touch with the student that can also initiate conversations and encourage students to open up. This makes the role of a counselor imperative in an academic setup, and teachers can become the primary source of an on-campus support for the students. Ayan, napakalalim ng mga
Ang
sagot ng mga tuties
galing.
natin. Yes,
Mhm.
Tutor Rio. Gusto mo bang basahin tong pangalawa, Tutor Rio? Mahaba din eh.
Oo. O sige, last na lang 'to, Tutor G, and then later
Yes.
on ta-try natin kung meron pa tayong time, 'no? Sabi naman ni
Yes.
Althea L. Natividad, yes, since there are instances when students are more comfortable addressing their difficulties with their professors than with their parents, particularly during face-to-face session when students spend more time with their teachers than
Aha.
with their parents. Oo nga naman, 'no?
Yun, tama naman sila. Parang mas malapit na tuloy sila.
Mm.
Parang hmm, parang may
Ah,
mali, pero tama naman yung idea nila.
yes. So sa ating
Eh,
pagpapatuloy, this is our post activity. Napaka ano naman, no, engaging ng klase na or ng ating tutorial ngayon.
yes, nakakatuwa, Tutor Rio.
Yes. So para sa ating directions, read and analyze the questions carefully. Choose the letter that corresponds to the answer on the following statements. Kayang-kaya nyo to kasi sa mga sinasabi nyo kanina sa comments ay napakagaganda rin ng inyong mga messages. So, sa number 1, school counselors take an active role in counseling. May it be one or more individuals in the process because they are A, advocates of group and individual counseling. B, advocates of students with special needs. C, advocates of safe environment. Or D, advocates of cultural action. Is it A, B, C, or D?
Ayan.
Cuties?
Isip-isip. Ayan.
Isip-isip.
Marami pa
So,
rin
number
sumasagot, Tutor
1.
Rio.
Oo. Ayun na,
Marami
may
pa rin
sagot
sumasagot sa
na.
essay. Ay, ayan.
Ang sagot ni Althea ay letter B, ni Tristan ay letter B, and the correct answer is letter A.
Ayan. Okay lang yan. Okay lang yun, no, Tutor Rio?
Yes, okay
Medyo
lang.
pare-pareho silang sagot.
Oo.
Pero okay lang yan. Marami pa to. So, may 4 pa. Okay, number 2. Which of the following does not belong to the group with regards to the functions of a counselor? So, A, rejecting a student with special needs and advising to enroll into a school that focuses with special needs. B, provides a comprehensive school counseling program for students who bully and have bullied. Or letter C, filing a police report for a student that have done sexual harassment. And letter D, helping a student to apply for a job. Okay, is it A, B, C, or D? Ayan, maroon ng mga sumagot ng number 2. Sabi ni Christine Leocadio, A. Sabi ni Bea May Empainado, A. KCA, ang daming A. So, tingnan natin kung A nga,
Mhm.
katulad kanina. Ayun,
A.
tumama naman na, Tutor Rio. Letter
Congratulations!
A.
Okay, for our third statement, counselors collaborate with mental health practitioners when a student needs referral. What does the statement include? A, school officials also need help, especially if they accept students with learning disabilities. And B, counselors are helpless when it comes to behavioral problems of the child and needs more specialized people in handling it. Is it A
Ayan.
or B? Okay, ang sagot nila ay A, A. Okay, and the answer is?
Tutor Rio, meron yatang
Okay, meron pang
D
no?
at
Meron
D.
pang
Baka
C
gusto
at
nilang
D.
magbago ng answer.
Okay. Sa C naman, the collaboration of both private and public sectors define no boundaries, especially if we are addressing the needs of students. And letter D, sometimes we do not tolerate incompetence and therefore we allow specialized people in handling specialized problems. So is it A,
Ayan,
B, C, or D? Totoo na talaga to. Sa number 3?
4 na.
Mm-mm.
Alamin natin, Tutor
Okay,
Rio.
iba-iba na yung sagot nila, Tutor
Ayan,
G.
tama.
And the correct answer is, totoo na talaga to, letter C. Ayan. Tama
Ayan.
pala, no, na
Oh,
nakita nila
maraming
yung letter
sumagot
C.
ng letter C.
Yes.
Yes, Tutor Rio. Ayan, so sa number 4, ito, nakasingit na lahat yung answers.
Mm-mm.
Okay, which of the following does follow the school and community collaboration? Okay, so letter A, allowing yourself to be counseled means that you have a problem only in the school and have issues in academic success that is only concerned with the school. Letter B, counselors ensure learners' holistic development and success through barangay, teacher, and parents coordination. Letter C, a counselor's job is in only to see counseling as its objective and final approach to student improvement. Or letter D, the school is an independent institution. It does not need help from other schools in improving learner community engagement. Ayan. So sa
Nasagot
number
na.
4, ano kaya ang sagot? Ang dami na palang sagot,
Mm-mm.
Tutorio. Naisip na nila agad yung
Mm-mm.
sagot. Ang daming B. Tama kaya sila? Okay, tama naman pala. Alam na agad nila yung sagot. Kaya sinagutan na nila na letter B ito kanila. Very good, cuties.
Very good. At sa atin namang post-activity
Ay,
number 5.
number 5. Ay,
Oo.
tama,
So,
tama, Tutorio.
so post-activity natin na number 5. Number 5 ba, Tutor G, no? The function. So the function are no longer limited to the academic success of students, but they also provide activities that prepare and promote students' career success. What function of a counselor is this? Career success daw. A, leaders and advocates are academic success. B, providers of individual and group services. C, development of classroom specialists. And D, career development specialist. Ano na po ang number 5 natin? Ang sagot nila ay letter D. Tama kaya ang ating sagot, Tutor G? And the correct answer is D. Very good. Very good. Congratulations.
Very good, cuties.
Ang gagaling naman.
Yes, Tutorio. So, that is the end of our post-activity. So, thank you sa inyong lahat sa pag-join ninyo sa ating question and answers. Okay, sa pagsagot sa lahat ng ating mga activities. Ayan. But now, let us end our lesson with a quote. Okay, so here's a wrap. Okay, if there is any one secret of success, it lies in the ability to get the other person's point of view and see things from that person's angle as well as from your own. That is by Henry Ford.
Yes.